In this video, I am going to show you how I created this super cute crayon style profile page illustration that looks like it was drawn by a 10-year-old kid on white paper. Let's dive in. First, open your Facebook and take a quick screenshot of your profile or any page you would like to use. Now, head over to the Play Store and install the ChatGPT app. Once it's open, sign in with your Google account just like I am doing here. You can also use a web browser if you prefer, but make sure you are logged in first. Now tap the plus icon and upload that screenshot you took earlier. Once it's uploaded, just paste this prompt and hit send. By the way, I have put the exact prompt in the pinned comment so you can easily copy and paste it. Give it a moment to finish the process. In the meantime, drop a yes in the comments and like the video if you manage to make one. I am curious to see how many of you can pull this off. If you run into any trouble, feel free to ask for help in the comment section. That's it. If your profile look amazing, tag me in your creations. I would love to see them. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for being here and I will see you guys very soon. Keep drawing.